Right, so I'm going to show you how to install the mirror cavity anchor. So you can get like galvanized one or non-galvanized, and the threaded plastic, commonly called wall mate. So here's a piece of gyprock. So what I normally do is pretty much poke a hole into it. Or you can use a drill to drill the 10mm hole. Done. And use filter screwdriver. Stuff it all the way through. Now how I prep the mirror cavity anchor is undo the screw part, slide it into the gun, mirror cavity anchor gun, like so. Then push it into the gyprock. Done. Now, in here, pretty much squeeze the trigger here, two triggers. Then press little, well, yeah, and press this part here, as you can see. And that's it, it pumps it, and got the anchor like that. Or there's another way I fan out. You either drill a hole through it or punch, get a small flathead screwdriver. Do the same thing. Or you drill a hole through it. And you put this in, as I was saying before. Push it in. Use a impact drill, as you can see. And just keep on going in forward motion. Turn it off, put it in reverse, and it comes out again. So that's another method of doing it, of putting the mirror cavity anchor into the gyprock. Now, I'll show you how to put this wall mate in. So like I said before, put a hole in, or make a hole in the gyprock wall or ceiling. Now you attach the wall mate onto it and put it in, just screw it in. You can use the impact drill as well to push it in, which I've never done, or have done occasionally. And done. And I'll put that in under the YouTube clippy with what items you can, and the weight for these mirror cavity anchors that they can hold, and the wall mates, or commonly called threaded plastic anchors, in the description below. So there you have it. And I've also put what these can, what you can put onto them to hold onto them, and same with this wall mate as well. So there'll be lots of items, lots of little wood things you can attach to them that are support. So like if you're not so keen on hooking or nailing things to the gyprock wall, because you know they will come out. Well, these are anchors that will keep the whether it be a photo frame, basically anything I can think of. I'll put down in the description and just search up this clip. I'll put it into the securing and prepping metal cavity anchors in gyprock or wall mates as a title. Okay, so thank you for watching my little clip, your YouTube clip, and hopefully you like it, so give it a tick and perhaps subscribe. Thank you.